Welcome, and thank you for being here. My name is Irene, and I created this channel to help you drift off into a dream state. Here, you'll find guided meditations and journeys into the mind that'll transport you to a sacred realm of relaxation. Now, let's begin to unwind. Tonight, I invite you to escape into nature, to a place where time slows, where the only sound is the gentle murmur of a slow-moving river and the soft crackle of a campfire nearby. This is a place of comfort and warmth, peace and solitude, where the stress of the day dissolves into the flowing water and disappears with the flickering flames. Imagine yourself settling into a cozy campsite where the air is fresh, stars shine brightly overhead, and the night unfolds into a slow, rhythmic melody of wind, water, and fire. Here, beside the calm, winding river, you'll find a soft hammock swaying between two sturdy trees, inviting you to rest beneath the moonlight. As you listen to the story, allow your breath to slow, your body to relax, and your thoughts to drift like the river itself, steady and effortless, flowing into a deep and peaceful sleep. The night has settled in, draping the forest in a deep, velvety darkness, broken only by the golden flicker of a small campfire. Above, a blanket of stars stretches endlessly, their soft light reflecting the still surface of the river. A pale silver moon rises higher, casting a gentle glow upon the land. You stand at the edge of the campsite, where the warm light of the fire meets the cool shadows of the trees. The scent of earth, pine, and distant rain lingers in the crisp night air. There's a quiet magic in this place, a serenity that makes everything feel soft, unhurried, timeless. Nearby, the river moves in slow, effortless ripples, weaving through the landscape like a silver ribbon. The water is clear and smooth, flowing over and around stones of all shapes and sizes, some small and scattered along the riverbed, others rising above the surface like natural stepping stones, their edges softened by time. You step closer, feeling the coolness of the earth beneath your feet, grounding you in the present moment. The river greets you with a gentle whisper, its rhythmic sound steady and soothing, blending seamlessly with the soft rustling leaves in the trees above. Slowly, you kneel by the water's edge, dipping your fingers into its silky smooth surface. The water welcomes you, cool and refreshing, swirling around your skin before slipping away as if it's carrying your worries downstream. You take a deep breath in. The fresh, clean scent of the river fills your lungs. And as you exhale, you release the tension in your shoulders, feeling a gentle sense of ease wash over you. The stones beneath the water are smooth to the touch, their surfaces worn soft by years of patient movement. You pick up a small, rounded stone, running your fingers over its cool, polished surface, feeling the weight of it in your palm. Just as the river has shaped this stone over time, life shapes us in gentle, unseen ways, smoothing our edges, carrying us forward, always moving forward towards something new. You let the stone slip from your hand, watching as it disappears beneath the surface, joining the thousands of others that have traveled this same path before. After a while, you stand and make your way back toward the warmth of the fire, where the soft embers glow beneath the dancing flames. The fire crackles gently, sending tiny sparks into the air, their golden light flickering against the dark silhouettes of the trees. Beside the fire, a hammock waits for you, swaying lightly in the evening breeze, strung between two strong, steady trees. Its fabric is soft, welcoming, inviting you to rest. You ease yourself into it, feeling the gentle cradle of the hammock as it molds to your body, rocking ever so slightly, as if it's mimicking the rhythm of the river. The fabric supports you, weightless and secure, as the world around you softens into stillness. Looking up, you see the sky stretched wide above you, a canvas of deep indigo dotted with twinkling stars. The moon's soft glow bathes the treetops in silver, casting gentle shadows across the campsite. Everything feels perfectly balanced. The warmth of the fire, the cool night air, the steady motion of the hammock, the rhythmic song of the river. With each breath, you sink deeper into relaxation. Inhale, the fresh scent of the forest fills your lungs. Exhale, releasing any lingering tension from the day. The fire crackles beside you. The river flows steadily onward. The leaves whisper above, and your breath becomes slow, deep, effortless. Your thoughts grow lighter, floating like the leaves carried downstream, weightless and free. A soft sigh escapes your lips as sleep begins to settle over you. A warm, comforting embrace that wraps around you like the night itself. The fire will continue to burn softly. The river will keep flowing, and the stars will watch over you until morning. Good night, dear traveler. Sleep well.